Soybeans seeing some support again at the end of last week while corn pulled back. Ag Day's Michelle Rook is here with a preview of this week in markets now.
Grains ending mixed on Friday with cattle to the plus side. Don Rose with U.S. Commodities has analysis. And Don, let's talk about the mixed trade that we saw in the grains. Soybeans higher, wheat grains lower. Was that technical spread action? What was going on Friday?
Yeah, I think when you look at the grain market, I mean, the fundamentals are kind of stuck here because it's on again, off again tariffs, very similar to weather type of markets. But, when you end the week, the wheat market really was the winner, trying to hold some support technically. The corn market unwinding some of these spreads. There's been a big long corn, short wheat still sitting that way. And so I think to end the week, there was some of that going on. Soybeans just kind of caught in the middle, mildly short. And I think a little bit of short covering over there going into the end of the week, too. So I think it was just get me back to home base to end the week, Michelle.
So, Don, as we start a new week, volatility has been high here, not only because of tariff talk, but because of weather now.
Yeah, we've got a lot of different things going on. We've got the tariff and the weather. And I think from a trade standpoint, what you really have to look at, you have to trade this very similar to what you have in weather markets. You don't chase rallies, you don't sell breaks, and you just you're as good as the next weather forecast. Here you've got both. You've got the weather forecast coming at you, you've got the tariff uncertainty going back and forth. And so this market, the volatility, I expect it to stay this way and pick up as we've got a lot of information going forward into the spring, Michelle.
Yeah, don't chase those tariff headlines for sure. And then let's talk about cattle, because we did into the plus side in live and feeder cattle futures. We had sharply higher cash, but yet we didn't make new highs. Does that concern you?
Yeah, I think, we had a big cash push up to end the week, and technically the market should have been able to make new highs. We do have some key reversals across the board in the feeder cattle and the back months of live cattle. So we'll see if the week going forward, if you could take those all out or if that's a big warning sign. But certainly it's one here that the demand side of the market is going to be the key. The supply side, we know on cattle, is pretty darn tight.
Thanks so much. That's Don Rose, U.S. Commodities. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.
For all your risk management and trading needs, call one of the U.S. Commodities specialists at 800-247-4071.
Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.